morning, students. Today we will see lesson number 18, which is Tamil computing. And in this lesson, what we are going to see is how we are making use of Tamil in internet, and what is the growth of Tamil in internet. So, like that, we are going to see discuss in this lesson. So, human civilization developed with the innovation of computer in the 20th century. Computer development began as an early calculating tool and has now become an essential ingredient for gigantic growth for the existence of human life without computers. So actually computer was started only for the purpose of calculation. Okay, and now we know what is the use of internet, and the population, how it has been increased worldwide, and the growth of internet, the growth of information technology, and so on. So it is true that any language will be outdated when it does not have the ability to adapt itself to the changing technologies. Tamil is a living language for thousands of years. Development of modern technologies do not affect the growth of classical Tamil, as it is ready to adopt the growing technological changes. Tamil is not just a language, it is our identity, our life, and our sense. And now we will see how Tamil is an internet. So we know that the internet today plays a vital role in every man's life. Internet is the best information technological device through which we get to know information. And in 2017, a study conducted by KPMG, a Singapore-based organization, along with Google, reported that Tamil topped the list among the widely used languages in India, where 42% are using the internet in Tamil. So you can see the data report here, or you can see the bar diagram here, and here it is shown that Tamil stands 42% when compared to other languages. Okay, so what they are trying to tell is, here if I am opening my Google page here, you have several languages. Okay, you have Hindi, you have Malayalam, you have Odisha, you have Telugu, you have Tamil here. So in this lesson, what they are telling is, mostly when it was developed, the searching language was only in English, and then most of the people are trying to using this internet for searching purpose in Tamil. Okay, so that is the advantage of the internet, and the advantage of user to make use of Tamil in internet for searching contents. So see here, 68% of internet users consider local language to be more reliable than in English. So currently Tamil 42% has the highest internet adaptation levels, followed by Hindi and Kannada among the Indian language users. And here they are given a report that is, by 2021, 74 people of the India will access internet using Tamil, and it will be the top usage internet in India. Okay, so and you mark this is a 1 mark question. By 2021, 74 people of India will access internet using Tamil, and here this is another 1 mark question. In 2017, the internet usage in Tamil is 42%. So these two are 1 mark question. And then search engines in Tamil. You have search engines in Tamil also. For example, if you click this Tamil, and here you can directly type in Tamil. Okay, so that is the search engines in Tamil. It is used to search any information from the cyberspace. Although there are many search engines, but only a few of them are frequently in use. In the top 10 search engines, Google, Bing, and Yahoo take the first 3 places. And this is a 1 mark question. So top 10, which is the first 3 places, are Google, Bing, and Yahoo take the first 3 places. Google and Bing provide searching facilities in Tamil. which means you can search everything through Tamil itself. Okay, the Google search engines give you an inbuilt Tamil virtual keyboard, and also if you press this Tamil, see here you have a virtual keyboard, and if I press this virtual keyboard, okay, so here it is English language, and for example, see here if I am pressing A, here it is telling A. Okay, so A M M A. Okay, so now it is telling it as now it is searching as Amma, right? So this is called as virtual keyboard. So this search engines, these three search engines, which is Bing, Yahoo, and Google alone, gives you the facility to search contents in cyberspace in the in your local language, which is Tamil. Then the next thing is you don't have this 18.4 e-governance, and next one is e-library. You don't have. It comes under deleted portion, and the next one is 18.6, which is Tamil typing and interface software. Okay, so you have lots and lots of softwares, so that you can download it, and you can download it, and you can have it in your system to type individually in Tamil itself. Okay, so you have several, you have Keyman. So here you can see this is Trollsoft Keyman. So this is also used for Tamil typing. Okay, so you have several fonts such as Sendamil, Kalyani, Madi, Lata, Chenet. You have Chenet Platinum. You have lots and lots of Tamil fonts, so that you can download it and you can have it in your system. Okay, see for example, if I go here in control panel, okay, so just type control panel, and in that control panel, so I already have some Tamil font. So in that control panel, you go to appearance and personalization, and inside fonts, okay, so in fonts I have some of here. So these are some of the fonts which I have. So it will have several designs also. So as if in English language, how we have Times New Roman, Arial Black, Helvetica, Impact. So all these font faces are different. Okay, so like that in Tamil also you have different font faces. So stylish fonts. So like that you have many fonts, but for this you have to download these fonts, and you have to keep it in, and then you have to download certain softwares like Keyman, or you should download eKalapai, or like that you should have those Tamil softwares, typing softwares, and then you should know the shortcut keys for those things, and then you can easily type it. Okay, so Tamil is mostly used to type documents in word processors and search information on the internet. Typing Tamil using Tamil interface software is a familiar one among the different methods of typing. This is the simplest method of typing Tamil in both computers and smartphones. And even in your smartphones you have those options. If you take your WhatsApp also, you have a virtual microphone. So if you just speak in Tamil, it will type all the content in Tamil itself. Okay, so like that and all, you have many several added features in typing Tamil. So some of the familiar Tamil keyboard interface are NHM Writer, eKalapai, and Lipikar, or familiar Tamil keyboard interface software. So these will be asked in 1 mark, 2 mark. So this may be as in 1 mark and in 2 marks also. So what are the familiar Tamil keyboard interfaces means? You should write NHM Writer, eKalape and Lipikar are some of the Tamil keyboard interface software. And Selenium and Ponmadal are familiar Tamil keyboard layouts. Okay, so these two will be a little bit confusing for your for the students. So Tamil keyboard interface is they are NHM Writer, eKalape and Lipikar. Tamil keyboard layouts are Selenium and Ponmadal. Okay, and these things are for your phone Android operating system in smartphones using phonetics, and these two Selenium and Ponmadal, and these are some of the softwares which will be used in your system. And then next one is 18.7, which is Tamil automation office automation application. So famous office automation softwares like MS Office, Open Office, etc. provides complete Tamil interface facility. Even if you take our MS Office or our Open Office, the full interface, okay, even in some of our telephones also you can change the full interface in Tamil language itself. Okay, so if any of our parents are uneducated means they will have their full home screen and applications, everything in Tamil itself. Okay, so they provide these facilities also, your mobile phones. So it provides a full Tamil interface facility, and these softwares are downloadable and installed in your computer. After installation, your office automation software environment will completely change to Tamil. Menu bars, names and icons, dialog boxes, everything will be in Tamil itself. See, for example, they have given here. So this is a LibreOffice Writer window. So if you see here, for file menu it will be have cope. Okay, so Togu, like that. So Nurai, Udavi or Udavu, so help facility. So all the interface will be in Tamil itself. So apart from that, Tamil LibreOffice, Tamil Open Office is there, Alagi Unicode Editor, Ponmuri, Mentamil, Kamban, Vani are some of the office automation software. And you mark this will be asked in 2 marks also. Okay, so name few Tamil office automation software means you can write this: Tamil LibreOffice, Open Office, Alagi, Unicoder, Ponmuri, Mentamil, Kamban, Vani, etc. Then Tamil translation application. So Tamil Pori is a Tamil translation application having more than 30,000 Tamil words equivalent to English words. You mark this. This is a 1 mark question. Tamil Pori is a dash application having more than 30,000 Tamil words equivalent to English words. So we can translate small English sentences into Tamil, and Google also gives an online translation facility. Okay, it is enough just to press 2 languages, that is English, and it should be converted into Tamil, or Tamil it should be converted to Hindi, anything. So if you just type the source language, and the destination language will be converted automatically through Google itself. The next one is Tamil programming language. So programming language to develop software in computers and smartphones are available only in English. And after the invention of Python, Python is a high level language. So currently most of the codings are done with Python, and this programming language is the first Tamil programming language which uses the Tamil coding. Okay, so they are coding the Python programming language by using Tamil fonts, which is Eril, which is called as Eril. So by making use of Eril Tamil fonts, they are making typing the programming language fully in Tamil language itself. So, and this is the first programming language. Then next one is Tamil information interchange coding system. So computers handle data and information as binary system, so as we know already. So all the data and informations will be converted into binary number system, and computers will understand the data only in the form of binary system. which is zeros and ones. So computers use ASCII encoding system. So ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and they encode it, and then the data will be decoded and sent to us as a human readable language. And for Tamil they make use of this TSCII, which is Tamil Script Code for Information Interchange. Underline this, this is a 1 mark question. So TSCII is nothing but Tamil Script Code for Information Interchange. Excuse me. Is the first coding system to handle our Tamil language, and this encoding scheme was registered in IANA, which is Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, and it is a unit of ICANN. Okay, so ICANN also we studied in lesson number 9 itself, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, and this IANA is a unit of this ICANN, ICANN. So this Indian Script Code for Information Interchange is one of the encoding schemes specially designed for Indian language, including Tamil, and it was unified with Unicode. Unicode is an encoding system designed to handle various world languages, including Tamil, and its first version is 1.0.0, was introduced in October 1991. You underline this, this is a 1 mark question. Unicode was introduced in October 1991. It is best suitable to handle Tamil Unicode system. Okay, and Tamil operating system, you have also operating systems fully in Tamil. So for example, you have Windows operating system for personal computer, you have Linux operating system in computer fully in Tamil itself. So thus all operating system used in computers and smartphones are offering the Tamil environment. So Windows Tamil environment interface should be downloaded and installed from the internet. It displays all the window elements such as taskbar, desktop element, names of icons, commands in Tamil. So organization and projects to develop Tamil. So Tamil Virtual Academy. So with the objective of spreading Tamil the entire world through the internet, Tamil Virtual University was established on 17th February 2001 by the government of Tamil Nadu. Now this organization functions with the name of Tamil Virtual Academy. It offers different courses in Tamil languages, cultures, heritage, etc. from kindergarten to undergraduation level. Okay, so this is Tamil Virtual Academy is nothing but it was developed by Tamil Nadu government, and here they are offering courses fully in Tamil starting from kindergarten to graduation level. So if you see this website, go inside the website. So Tamil Virtual University, so tamilvu.org. Okay, so go inside this website and check it out. The next one is Tamil Language Council, which is in Singapore, with the objective of promoting the awareness and greater use of Tamil among Singaporeans. In 2001, the Council of Tamil Language was formed, the Ministry of Information, Communication and Arts, Government of Singapore. The council is called as Valar Tamil Iyakkam, and this is their website, so you can check it. So in Singapore they started in 2001 to motivate the information and communication, the arts of Tamil language, and it was called as Valar Tamil Iyakkam, and this is their website. And then Madurai project. So Madurai project is an open, this will be asked in a 3-mark question. Okay, so Madurai project is a 3-mark question. It is an open and voluntary initiative to collect and publish free electronic editions of ancient Tamil literary classics. This means either typing in or scanning old books, and archiving the text is one of the most readily accessible formats. Since it launches in 1998, Project Madurai e-text released or in Tamil script form as per TSCII encoding. Since 2004 we have started releasing e-text in Tamil Unicode as well, and this is their website. You can click it, you can read any Tamil literary classics, or even you, if you have a different book or olden days book in Tamil literary, Tamil classic or Tamil arts, anything, you can just scan it and you can send it. So it is a voluntary organization which has been run by Madurai project. And then you have Tamil Wikipedia. So here this is also an open source, so anybody can write or post. So this Wikipedia is also an open source encyclopedia where any person can write any article about any subject in Tamil itself. And now in Tamil Wikipedia you have 1 lakh articles, more than 1 lakh articles in Tamil itself. So in order to make Tamil as a living language, it is the duty of every Tamilian to actively use Tamil in the development of technology. And this is the Tamil Wikipedia organization website. So you can just go through all these websites in your free time, and you can see just what is inside. And even if you can submit any articles, or if you are interested in promoting or motivating Tamil language to the world, and you can also share your thoughts and views and your articles through any one of these websites, and you can promote the language to make Tamilians proud. And thank you, children. Rest of the things we'll see in next class. And by this we come to the end of lesson number 18. Thank you, children.